Alright folks, we picked up these pizzas. We'll do a quick review on these Shakey's Pizza, frozen pizzas from the Walmart. Well, I got the RC, but I told her to put it on your utang, so it would be yours. Because I love surprising you, Big Pumpkin.
This is pure cheese.
And then what's that model?
Italian sausage and bacon.
Italian sausage and bacon. What's the other one?
Pepperoni.
Alright, so we're just trying these little pizzas over in the frozen section of the Walmart.
Try this.
200 and how much?
14.
214 pesos.
Like this.
I don't think these are going to be a huge meal. But we haven't had pizza in a while. So we said, hey, just get those, throw them in the air fryer. Somebody made the comment that our pizza oven
I like this. This is mine.
is not being used as a pizza oven. Well,
I like the pepperoni.
one wasn't built in a day.
Oh, this one, Mama.
This is cheese.
I've got to go get us a new regulator and gas tank.
Tagalog tayo. Tagalog tayo. Oh, you can make that craft in there. That's yours.
I'm gonna pretend there's some pizza.
All right, let's take a look. Let me take a look. Oh, I thought you had one in there.
No, I preheat there.
You pre-hotted it?
Preheat
Yeah, there you go.
because it's been stuck. Try this.
All right, not a bad looking little snack pie.
The cheese first. La Maria, give me that box of how long they going to.
Okay, so 10 minutes on these.
Yeah.
All right, let's see the other one.
Heat and eat. 10 minutes to 10 minutes. Okay, go na Maria.
Well, I'll tell you what, it smells like a pizza place in here. Yeah, these little pies, they look good and they smell good. What it look like. It's a beautiful little snack pizza. Alright, there you go folks. So that's the completed 4 cheese pizza. And now going into the mix. Which one is that one?
The bacon.
The bacon.
It's so small.
You just cut it in 4 pieces, baby. My gosh.
Okay.
There you go. We don't got a pizza cutter no more?
Huh?
What happened to our pizza cutter?
This one. Pizza cutter.
Yeah, I mean it works with the roller.
We don't have the thing.
Got one. Put that on your list. Go. There's a sampling right there. The 3 different pizzas. Got the different plates made up. So more like a snack. I mean, I don't know. As much snacking as they've been doing, this will probably be supper tonight. They had ice cream before she cooked the pizza. Okay, let old single dad do the taste test on this right here. Let's see, what is this? This is the cheese, baby? Does it have pineapple on it? Is that pineapple?
No, just cheese.
Oh, it's a piece of cheese. I thought it was pineapple.
No.
Mmm. That's not bad for a little frozen pizza. Tastes like out of a pizzeria instead of out of the frozen section. Man, I give that a thumbs up. It's Canadian bacon and sausage. I give that one a thumbs up too. And for the last one, the pepperoni.
The last one, the cheese.
If I had to go with a favorite out of the 3, I would go with the sausage and Canadian bacon. Okay, so the crew's rating it a 10 out of 10 for 214 pesos. Not a bad little snack. Is it a meal? I think if everybody had their own, we need to go with 4 instead of 3. But for a couple hundred pesos, quick meal, pop it in the air fryer. Sort of being lazy, but that's what we have for supper tonight, and we are blessed to have this. Do I recommend it? Heck yeah, for a quick little snack or meal. And again, what I got to do in my pizza oven is get a new regulator and a tank. Every year, usually about every year, I replace the gas hose and the regulator, because the ones you buy here are so cheap. I just don't trust them. I've had ones break before. Luckily, no incidents, but I left that regulator at the old place for anybody else who wanted it. And I'm going to go out and buy a brand new regulator, hose, tank, get that pizza oven back in operational.